Okay, today I'm taking a look at the big 24 by 70 inch Sky Solutions anti-fatigue mat. So this is the big one. This thing is quite large. There we go. So on the bottom we can see we got this nice grippy material, which is going to be very important because if you're going to be putting this in the kitchen, you want to make sure this thing isn't going to be sliding around. Basically anywhere you put this, you want to make sure it's not going to be sliding around. Now I've already got the smaller version of this mat, but one of the things I found was I just wanted something a little bit bigger so I got more room to move around. So this one is both longer, but it's also wider. So I'm going to be able to move around forward and back. I'm also going to be able to sidestep a lot more. This is just a gigantic mat, but these things are a game changer. This allows me to stand for much longer without getting that pain in my feet. They make me more productive. These things are just worth their weight in gold. So out with the old and with the new. That is awesome. That is considerably bigger. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch thick. These make your life so much nicer, especially if you're standing a lot during the day. As a person that's, constantly moving around, this is what I should have got from the beginning. This is fantastic.